Healthy Teeth Pediatric Dentistry, building a lifetime of beautiful smiles. Sleeping with a baby bottle might be convenient, but it's not always a good thing for the child. Dr. Shilpa tells us why.
Sleeping with bottle is a big no-no for the parents. It should be avoided at any cost, because what happens when the baby sleeps with a bottle of milk, the milk is pooled inside the mouth and it's sitting there for whole 8 or 7 hours. That causes the bacteria has constant food to eat on. So that's why it is important that the nighttime bottle should be avoided.
Healthy Teeth Pediatric Dentistry, building a lifetime of beautiful smiles. Call for an appointment today, 713-955-2100.